Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. So today's video is going to be 3 coins that I'm looking at to trade for this week. So today is Sunday, the 16th of April 2017, and I am looking at some coins, to trade for this week. So let's get right into it, and we'll start with my first pick, which is DCR. So we'll go ahead and search right here into our markets so we can do a quick analysis of this coin. Okay, so DCR is looking very bullish. By the way, the video that I made with the top 10 altcoins going into April, so far I'm up like 300% from the coins that I called, so that's pretty cool if you ask me. Now DCR is one that I'm thinking is an incredible investment, and it could be a great time to buy. I'd be waiting for a good red candle so that you can catch a nice entry, but this is insane. In my opinion, this is a really, really good chart pattern, and I feel like it's going to go quite nicely from here. This was mentioned in my top 10 altcoins for April, so I actually have been covering this coin, but it is crazy. This chart pattern just looks pretty good to me, if you ask me. This is an excellent chart pattern. Alright, so we're coming up into this resistance zone for the second time, and I'm very bullish on this coin. I think that it's going to pull up out of this zone and just push on the upside for quite some time now. So we're just in the right price range. We've came down off of this resistance, so this was an indication of a pretty hard swing down in the market. In today's VIP video, I actually went over how to utilize these huge wicks on the upside and the downside to your advantage so that you can get a better entry and so that you can watch the direction of the price movement and get a better idea of how to trade those big wicks like that, because they can be very useful. So I highly recommend checking out my VIP course. Links in the description. Go ahead and sign up. There's a month, there's 6 months and a year, and it's a VIP membership into the chat lounge, and you also get access to charts that I'm looking at, coins I'm watching, daily VIP videos that I only release to my VIPs, and personalized questions answering, and top priority for any questions and stuff like that. So yeah, but DCR is one that I'm thinking is very bullish and a good investment in the next little while. Alright, so let's look at our other 2 coins here real quick. The other coin that I'm looking at is MadeSafe, and I'm also thinking that this is a good coin to be trading this week. And the reason I say that is because MadeSafe is heavily oversold, and this is a very, very bullish chart pattern. This looks like it's going to go on the upside very nicely in the next little while, specifically throughout like this week. We're pretty oversold. See these huge wicks on this side? That's indication that the price is getting rejected right here, but there's too much rejection on the bottom side. There's too much upward support for me to see this market losing much value, and I think it's going to go up quite nicely from here. Just a little disclaimer, obviously these are just coins that I think are going to go up, and from what I can see, that's what their chart patterns are telling me. But obviously there's risk involved in trading, and it's up to you whether you're responsible for any profits or losses that occur with this trading information. So yeah, let's see. Now let's look at the other coin that I think is a pretty good buy. So the reason I point this one out, I mean, I didn't mean buy. The reason that I point this one out is because I think that there's a good opportunity to buy coming soon. So I don't think that you should buy this coin yet, especially with how inflated the price is right now. But I think that this coin is going to trend on the upside very nicely with, through this week. So I'm waiting for, a couple days where we can catch support somewhere in this 0.236 fib or the 0.382 fib, somewhere in this range. It would be optimal if you could enter at like the 618 or the 786, but the chances of this market going that low now, I don't know if it's going to go that low now that we've already broken out of that. But anywhere in this range right here, in my opinion, is a good entry, especially with how much hype is around this coin. But I will say that the price is really, really like bought today. It's bought up. The value is maybe a little bit drastic as to what it actually is valued at, if you know what I mean. See what's the best way to word this. This coin is valuable, but I think that for at least on the, temporarily speaking, like in the next 24 hours to 3 days, I think that this has a pullback coming for it. And the reason I say that is because of how parabolic this market is. Parabolic meaning that it's come up into this small little channel that it's being traded in. So it's getting traded up into a small little tight squeezed channel. Prices got rejected recently, but I think that they've got a little more pumping in it today before they get rejected again. Though this does look like it's due for a nice little pullback into some range like that, though I think that it's going to go up after it pulls back. So I wanted to mention it in today's coin list. So yeah, PIVX, or Pinks, I don't even know how to pronounce it for sure, but this is one that I'm paying attention to at least. But I recommend looking for a good entry. But I do think that this coin has a lot of value potential down the road. So yeah, that's basically everything in today's video. Again, check out my VIP sign up list. I highly recommend. It's pretty easy to sign up. You just do a Google Forms, send me the Bitcoin, and then I'll get you signed up within 24 hours when I see it. Make sure that you're online so that I can make you a VIP. But when you're a VIP, you get these purple names, and you get access to all of the VIP channels, including VIP voice chat, which I go over like once a week. Sometimes more. I'm on the VIP voice chat helping do live trading. And then I answer questions in the VIP lounge. You get VIP only videos and coins that you can watch, the coin watch list, and there's a VIP secret hideout, and there's tips every day. So yeah, definitely check it out. At least look at it. Links in the description. It's a Google Forms to sign up, so look into it. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today's video. I hope that you learned something, and watch these 3 coins: MadeSafe, Pinks, and DCR, Decred. I highly recommend checking them out and watching the price. Again, on Pinks, look for a good entry. I pointed it out because I think that there's more upward movement down the road. Somewhere midweek, I'd be thinking it would probably give for an opportunity on the entry. But yeah, thanks for tuning in today's video. Like this video if you learned something, comment if you have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at highaltitudeinv, and that's everything for today. So as always, stay profitable, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, and donations in the description too, if you want to check into doing a donation. I highly appreciate any of those donations. Yeah, stay profitable.